Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to Raisen Spray Booth in association with Auto Spray Paint Learning. And in this video, I will be experimenting my skill on a furniture. So as you all guys know that the procedure or the process is the same, you just have to know the right process. So to prove you that, I'm going to experiment my skill on a furniture, a sofa set. So let's see how it goes. And if you are interested in learning auto body and painting, and if you want to do DIY projects from your home and from your home garage, then I have created a course where I teach you step by step every procedure and process. So if you want to level up your skill, or if you want to learn a completely new skill set, then I have put a link in the description. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. So without any further more delay, let's get started.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Raisen Spray Booth, and today I'm going to experiment my skills on this sofa. And as you can see, what is the state of this sofa? The varnish or the polish which was there on this sofa is all damaged. Now I will do an experiment on this sofa and I will check if I can repaint it and check what type of finish I will get once I'm done doing the paint job. So first I will take a 220 grit sandpaper and I will sand the entire sofa nicely. Now I have made two pieces of a single sandpaper, and like I always do, and I will put it on a block like this and I will start to do the sanding. So here I have started doing the sanding. By sanding you will have to take out the layer of varnish or polish which is there on top of the surface. Everything should go so that you can make it black again. This sofa was black in color, but you must have noticed that the color of this sofa has changed completely. Now the surfaces which were flat, I have done block sanding on them. Now on this part of the sofa there are grooves, there is some design, so I will do hand sanding here, because you cannot do sanding with a block here, as there are gaps and crevices where you will have to reach. That is the reason why I am doing hand sanding. So here I'm done sanding my entire sofa set. As you can see here, I have completely taken out the top layer from this sofa set. Now take pressure air and blow out all the dust which has been created through sanding. Then take a cloth and wipe the entire sofa so that it will get rid of all the remaining dust. Now you will have to use a special cloth here. This is called as a sari cloth or a terracotta cloth. You will have to use this type of a cloth to apply the wood stainer. If you try to use a normal cotton cloth to apply the stainer, then it will start to stick to the surface and you won't be able to apply it properly. So to apply this stainer, you will get a special cloth like this. You will get it on any of the hardware shops, and the stainer which I will use here is Shinlex black stainer. So we will start to apply now and we'll check if it is getting black or what color I am getting. One more important thing I forgot to tell you guys is see that you wear your gloves, otherwise your entire hand will get stained. So wear the gloves and apply the wood stainer. Now in the wood stainer I have not mixed anything. I have only shake the bottle and I am applying it directly. So shake the bottle to mix the stainer inside the bottle itself first, and then directly start to apply it. So here I am done applying the wood stainer, and as you can see how it is looking now, it is become totally black, but it is like a matte finish. It is not looking that good also, but still I am left to apply the clear coat on top of this. Let's see what it will look like after applying the clear coat. Now even after applying the wood stainer, if your sofa has not got a nice and black and matte color, then you can wait for 10 minutes and apply it again. If you want, you can apply 2 or 3 coats. The more you apply, it will keep on getting darker and darker. So here I will mix my clear coat. Now for the clear coat I will use Woodfin's polyurethane finish, which is specially made for wood. So first I will take it in my measuring cup. In that I will mix turpentine and I will mix them well. Now see that you don't make the mixture too thin and don't keep it too thick as well. Now if you want to know how to mix paints, clear coats, primers, then I have covered all of that in my course, and I have shown in absolute details how to do all these things. So if you are serious about learning auto body and painting, then I have put a link in the description. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. So here I'm done mixing my clear coat. So now it's time to put the mixture into the spray gun cup. And here I am using 1mm tip spray gun, which is my touch-up spray gun. And when you are pouring the mixture into the spray gun cup, see that you remember to use the cloth filter, because your spray gun can get blocked very easily. So here my spray gun is fully loaded. So now I will check the spray pattern which I need to spray the mixture out. So I will test it on the cardboard. So you should be testing it on the cardboard like how I am doing here. So my spray pattern looks fine. So now I will start to spray the clear coat. Now if you are having a tech cloth here, then you can wipe the entire sofa with a tech cloth. I don't have a tech cloth here, and I don't want to go so much in detail to restore this sofa. So I will start to apply my clear coat. So here I am done applying my one coat of clear coat, and as you can see here how nice and glossy it is come out, but it is still wet. So I will allow it to dry for around 1 hour, and then I will sand it again and apply the second coat. At the moment it is looking nice and glossy, but let's see once it dries up how it looks like. Now my 1 hour is up after applying the first coat. So now here I will use a 320 grit sandpaper, and I will sand in only those spots, especially where your hand touch points are. Only in those spots I will be sanding with the 320 grit sandpaper. Now as you can see here, after drying, what type finish it has become. It has become slightly rough. So I will take a 320 grit sandpaper and I will make it nice and flat, and I will apply the second and last coat of clear. So here I am done doing the sanding. Now I will take pressured air and blow all the dust out. I am using a hand here to clear all the dust to leave the surface nice and clean. So here my surface is ready to apply the second coat of clear, and here I have started to spray the clear. Just remember guys that this is just an experiment that I am doing. It is not my specialty to paint furnitures, but as you guys know, the procedure is the same. You only have to know the right process. And if you are serious about learning the right process, then I have put a link in the description of the course where I teach everything in details. So if you are serious, then go there and get yourself enrolled. So here I am done applying my clear coat. Now I will allow it to dry for around 1 day, and I will show you the finished product. So as you can see here, my clear coat is completely dry now, and as you all guys can see how nice it is looking now. Now the finish is totally different from what it was before. So I will compare the before and after footage, and I will show you how it was looking like. As you can see here how bad the condition of this sofa was, and now here you can see how nice it is looking. It's looking almost like a new sofa. So my experiment was successful, and I'm very happy with the finish. So if you like this video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fernandez signing out until we meet again.